Small hassles have a way of appearing at the worst possible moments, like struggling to open stubborn packaging, dealing with a lighter that won't ignite in the breeze, or realizing you don't have the proper tool for a simple repair. That's exactly why everyday carry equipment proves so valuable. It's less about hauling around tons of items and more about keeping a handful of dependable tools accessible for those times when you really need them. So in this video, we're going to present you with 7 everyday carry gear and gadgets that people genuinely enjoy using. So enjoy the video. For anyone seeking a reliable everyday carry blade without the bulk of a traditional folding knife, the Teto A2 Badger delivers the perfect balance. This thing is ridiculously compact, just a bit over 2 ounces, and uses an out-the-front automatic design that feels way more premium than its size suggests. What makes it special is the super-fast deployment paired with a California legal blade length, which is under 2 inches, so you're still getting an automatic knife. The blade itself is a tanto style made from titanium-coated D2 steel, which means it holds an edge really well. The aluminum handle keeps it lightweight but still durable. Plus, the grip can feel small if you've got big hands, but for most EDC tasks like breaking down boxes, opening packages, or light cutting, it gets the job done. A few nice extras make it stand out too. A reversible pocket clip for carry preference, a glass breaker tip for emergencies, and a contoured button that even works with gloves. And it even comes with a carrying pouch. Sure, the sharp tip can bend if you really abuse it, but for discreet everyday carry, the A2 Badger packs professional-grade performance into a knife. Most EDC flashlights force you to compromise between brightness and portability, but the Nitecore EDC 37 refuses to make you choose. This little one is only 4.2 inches long, but somehow throws out a huge 8,000 lumens. That's thanks to its dual UHI 20 max LED setup, which gives you options for both a focused spot beam and a wide floodlight. So whether you're searching the woods or lighting up a room, this thing's got you covered. It runs for up to 7.5 hours depending on the mode, and it's loaded with special modes: strobe, lumen shield, and search for tactical use. The display is genuinely useful, showing battery percentage, runtime estimates, and current output level. Users love the powerful magnetic strength that secures to metal surfaces and the tactical dual stage switches for instant access to boost modes. However, the impressive output comes with heat management challenges, as the light gets quite hot on maximum settings. Still, it even has ceramic glass breaking beads that you can swap out if you don't need them. If you're serious about flashlights and want pro-level performance in a tiny package, the EDC 37 is about as cutting edge as it gets. Traditional adjustable wrenches are either pocket-unfriendly in size or disappointingly inadequate in performance, but the Tightener Tie Spanner 3 solves both problems at once, but still fits in your pocket. At 78 millimeters long and just 46 grams, it's bigger than earlier versions, which means more torque, and the jaws now open up to 2 inches, plenty for a lot of jobs. Since it's made from titanium, it's lightweight, tough, and won't rust like steel. But here's where it gets really interesting. It's not just a wrench, it's a 6-in-1 multi-tool with screwdriver bits, which is magnetically stored so you don't lose them, a bottle opener, a nail puller, a caliper, and even a defensive attacking head. Plus, it doubles as a phone stand if you're the type to watch something hands-free while working. For makers, mechanics, or anyone who likes having a serious tool ready to go, this isn't just a novelty gadget, it's the real deal. Users say it feels like a genuine piece of precision engineering, not a toy, and it actually handles everyday wrench jobs. Keys are meant for more than just opening locks, and the true utility fish face transforms your keychain into a surprisingly capable toolkit. This little tool is barely bigger than a standard house key, just 90 millimeters long and only 20 grams, but it manages to squeeze in a whopping 18 tools. Even better, it's flight safe, so you can throw it on your keychain and take it through TSA without any hassle. It's made from stainless steel with a black titanium coating, so it holds up well to daily use. The tool selection is also thoughtful. 3 Phillips drivers, 3 flatheads, 4 different wrenches, a bicycle spoke wrench, and even a hex drive. Add in a box cutter, pry bar, nail cleaner, file, and of course a bottle opener, and you got pretty much every small fix covered. Users find it genuinely handy for tightening screws, opening packages, or quick fixes on the go. The box cutter isn't heavy duty, so don't expect it to replace a real blade, but for how small and convenient it is, those issues are pretty minor. It's the kind of tool you'll forget is even there until you need it, and then it saves the day. For outdoor enthusiasts who venture beyond marked trails, a reliable compass isn't just a nostalgic equipment, it's essential navigation insurance. The Polar Pupil takes that classic tool and gives it a serious upgrade. It's made from solid grade 5 titanium, so it's tough enough to shrug off abuse, but still super lightweight, about the size of a coin, so it slips right in your pocket or hangs off your keychain without a second thought. What really makes it shine, literally, is the luminous dial. The markings glow bright green in the dark, way longer than you'd expect, so you can still navigate when the sun dips and everything else fades out. And because it's rated IPX8 waterproof, you don't have to worry. Rain, river crossings, or just being out in nasty weather, it keeps working. Plus, the keychain hole means you can clip it to your pack, belt loop, or lanyard, so it's always on hand. So the Polar Pupil is lightweight, durable, and functional day or night. It's one of those small but mighty tools you'll be glad you had when the trail disappears and you're relying on your gear to guide you home. Many titanium multi-tools prioritize aesthetics over practicality, essentially serving as expensive pocket decorations, but the Peachy X2 challenges that trend entirely. It's made from genuine grade 5 titanium, so it's tough, lightweight, and corrosion-resistant, but the big win is that it's actually useful. At just 44 grams and a little over 4 inches long, it strikes a sweet spot, feels substantial but won't bulge in your pocket. And get this, it goes through over 30 precision machining processes just to get that perfect finish. It comes with a premium leather sheath, and the design is smart. It clips on your belt or hangs securely. Plus, the cutting blade is high carbon steel, which you can replace whenever it dulls. And there's a built-in bottle opener for the obvious must-have. You also get a screwdriver bit slot that works with different hex bits, making it versatile for daily fixes. Though there's no onboard bit storage and the magnetic retention could be stronger. Still, for anyone who values quality materials and real functionality, the Peachy X2 nails that rare combo of being sleek and solid. For those looking to escape the tyranny of the bulky traditional wallet, the ESR Go MagSafe wallet offers an ingeniously minimalist solution. It's MFI, Apple certified, and integrates with the Apple Find My network, something Apple's own wallet strangely doesn't offer. That means you can track it in real time, play a sound to locate it, and even get left behind alerts if you forget it somewhere. Once paired, you can keep tabs on it from your phone like any other Find My device. The magnets are seriously strong, about twice as strong as Apple's wallet, with 1,500 grams of holding force, so it stays put while you're moving through your day. Inside, it holds 1 to 3 cards securely, though the wallet is a bit thicker than Apple's version, and the nicer materials do push the price up, but the added functionality makes it worth it. So for iPhone users who want a wallet that's as smart as the phone it clips to, the Geo wallet isn't just an accessory, it's an upgrade that actually makes daily life easier. So in this video, we're going to present you with 7 everyday carry gear and gadgets. Thanks for watching the video, share it with your friends if you find it helpful, and subscribe for more updates.